This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system. The following is an official announcement from the government of Singapore. Commencing at the siren, the following precautions, until further notice, will come into effect. For your own safety, the fundamental right to freedom of assembly is suspended as of today. This prohibits any citizen of Singapore from taking part in public demonstrations. Planning and carrying out a public demonstration, regardless of type and extent, will be punished with death. The Singapore military has exclusive competence for all duties of local police departments. Citizens shall comply without any resistance. The border with Malaysia will be completely closed within the next 8 hours. This is due to the protests. Blessed be Singapore, a nation made great again. Your government thanks you for your participation. May God be with you all.